Welcome to whattogetmy.com, your go-to online destination for great advice, gift-giving etiquette, and how-to videos to help you in any situation. If you've been thinking about switching up your hair color game, we're here to help. Let's look at how you can successfully color your hair at home. Number 1, pick a complementary color. When thinking of how to color your hair at home, the first thing to do is decide the color you want to change to. Remember that hair color is best when it complements your skin tone, which is why warmer tones are great for paler skin, and ashy and cooler tones work best for darker skin tones. Number 2, strand test. Strand and patch tests are very important because they test if your skin will react negatively to the hair dye. They should, however, not be skipped. Pro tip: if you plan on coloring your hair at home on the weekend, consider doing the patch test on Friday. That way, you'll be ready to try the new color by the weekend. Number 3, gather the right materials. If you're thinking, how can I color my hair at home? You definitely need to ensure you have all the necessary tools. Gloves, mirrors, you don't want to miss the back of your head, butterfly clips, a mixing bowl, and a towel to cover your clothes are all very essential. Number 4, preparation. Detangle your hair and divide your hair into sections. 4 sections are recommended by professionals. Mix the color and the activator in the bowl when you're just about to start. Number 5, application. Start at the roots and your hairline first. Next, apply to the rest of your hair. Unclip section by section and work your way down. Number 6, leave it, then rinse it. Let it set for the recommended time and then rinse your hair in cool to warm water until the water runs clear. Apply a color-safe conditioner and let it sit for another 3 to 4 minutes. Your hair needs to soak up all that good stuff in order to look shiny and healthy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You have just colored your hair at home. It's amazing what you can do at home with your hair. Just make sure you follow these steps and you'll be looking stylish in no time. Leave us your pro tips in the comment section. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more how-tos to help your life. See you soon.